We're going back here into the jungle or forest or whatever and get some coconuts to drink. Oh, there's some.
Manes maybe no. You will put umbrella. How much on the Rabi Salman could be also. I'm going to see again. Oh, Manaka Choco. I'm
gonna pass him up a machete. Well, there's our snack. We've wandered around here and eaten papaya out of the bush and coconuts and something that's inside the bark of a palm tree that's pretty good. And bananas, the short, fat, sweet bananas, they're good. Good job. I'd have done it, but I got these binoculars on. Oh, this has been on pause. We got to do this over again. Okay.
Yeah, you cameraman, I think.
Yeah, I know it. I'm not paid to do this. Okay, you can see the clear liquid in there. And it's not creamy colored like what you buy in the store. It just looks like water, but it's really sweet.
Sterile. Delicious.
Yeah, very good. Now we'll say it again, Rob's the only one that gets to drink these coconuts because he's kind of got an angry personality and...
The bush electrolytes.
Yeah. I think it's way too much for one person, but he won't listen to us. Here's one of them. They're just going to shave it and open it up. He's eating the coconut out.
This is a big coconut, nice and green.
Yeah. Oh, you want them green, huh?
The green ones are better than this. These
Really?
are okay.
Really?
These are okay, but you'll see the difference in taste.
Huh.
Mm. The green ones just taste even better.
Wow, okay.
Yellow? Yeah. That'll be slightly sweeter, just even more.
How's that, Shane?
That is good. Very good.
That's
And one
pretty,
coconut got enough liquid for 30 something. It's
Oh yeah,
perfectly designed.
this has got like, it's got probably
Like
a
nearly
liter
a
and a
liter.
half, 2 liters.
Yeah.
In it. I mean, it's a ton of juice.
You see there's a slight effervescence in it?
And you're right, this has got more of a gel to the coconut.
And what they do is when they make spoons, this one here,
Yeah.
that's your spoon. So you break it in half.
Yeah.
Oh, funny. Eat the coconut that way. That's good.
number 1 cocoa.
Okay, what's the stuff that's inside the palm that you eat?
Nice.
That's sago,
Sago.
and this is a sago palm, but it's an immature sago palm.
Too small to get anything
Yeah,
out.
but it's got a big fat trunk, that fat.
Yeah.
And they just chop it up,
And that was-
flush the white starch out.
It's like bush flower.
It's good for
So we've had papaya, banana, coconut,
Yes.
and sago.
Pig.
This sago would be the staple diet for 2 million people in PNG.
Golly.
And this is about the other one.
Plantain, banana.
Yeah, plantain and banana. And those bananas are sweet.
And some communities live on coconut and fish, and they would have the most physically fit bodies. Perfect
Ripped.
nutrition that you'll ever find now.
Yep.
It's just magnificent. Now,
I'm going to pour some in my
something.
water bottle.
Never. Oh, never stuff. Daging banana.
well, let me type finish.
Belum lah minum orang.
So this is how we break it in half. Now this one's probably going to be just a little bit too, the one that you've got will be okay with it.
Creamy.
Being able to spoon it out, but this will be just a bit too hard to spoon out.
Here, I'll pour this out.
Try and do that with that.
We can do this. Rob. I'm going to pour it into the water bottle and then we can spoon this one out. But I've already drank.
He's going to try and get some in the water bottle anyway.
Yeah, I already drank quite a bit of this, but still. This is a 60,
600 mil.
600 mil, and there's still probably 50 mil in there. I mean, it's a good liter at least, liter and a half liquid. Drink it later. If you want to cut this one, you can cut this one. If you want to,
It's all the rage in Hollywood.
it's still got some in it, but you can pour it out.
And so that's your meat. So if you have a Shane, if you have a whole coconut, drink all the water and eat this. That's the perfect lunch.
You're good.
Especially if you're walking.
Yeah.
Because then you don't get heavy in the stomach.
Oh yeah, that is perfect. See, is that one that's gelled?
No, see.
That's this one.
Cut in this.
Yeah, cut into that one.
Nolly racing meat long,
Yeah, the green ones will gel, and then the brown that they get, the thicker the meat.
Show them scooping it out.
And if you're in the bush with no tools, you can slam it up against a tree and just crack it.
And then drink it.
But there's only two things.
Okay, now scoop it with that. And just show them how soft it is.
Here's some good blue spoon.
And now, a style spoon.
Yeah, just scoop
That's hemming up, this was spooning up.
Here, just
Racing.
scoop it out.
Or something like that. Hemming up, yeah. Give him some.
Oh, yeah, you can't be dirty.
Yeah, that's the best
Oh,
spoon.
you gotta have a perfect spoon here.
Yeah,
There we go.
best spoon.
Shape of the coconut. And that one's gelled, so it's really soft.
Nothing. That's good.
Yeah, yeah, there you go. That's better light. Man, that's good. That just came out all together.
Now you got to eat that now, son.
Yeah, let's get a piece of it. Man, that's good.
Good, huh?
It's good and sweet. That's really good. It beats the hard stuff.
Yeah.
That's almost as good as hunting.
It's almost, huh?
Almost. I mean, if you could do both, it'd be perfect. You could hunt and eat coconut. Oh wait, we're doing that. This is perfect.